Hello, my name is Enas Braiwesh and I am a computer science student at Al Hussein Technical University. This is my website that I have developed for a course that I took this semester. It's an online reading website that called Readn. So this website will provide you with different books and information about the books and a way to read them online. Now, this website is fully responsive, which means it responds to different environments. If you open it on small screens or bigger screens, the website will rearrange the content so that it fits the screen perfectly and that you don't have to vertically scroll or to zoom in or out to read the content. So now let's walk through the website to see its features and functionalities. This is the home page. We have the header here where we have the menu and the logo. Then if we go down, we will see the About Us section, then the Book Categories section, where we're going to see the different book categories that we have. Then we have the footer. To see the responsiveness of the design, I'm going to minimize the screen size. And as you can see, when minimizing the screen size, the menu is now hidden here. If you click here, you'll see the menu. Then if we go down, we'll see how the content has been rearranged to fit the screen size. And if you open the website on middle screen, then this is how it would look like. To achieve this, we used media queries, flexible measurements, and fluid typography. So if I pick a category to view, I will be redirected to the following page, which will showcase the different books that we have, different book information such as the book name, the author's name, and a brief description about the book. Now, if I go back and pick another category, for example, fairy tale books, we will see that the layout of the page has remained the same, but the content has changed. This dynamic of change in the content happened due to the fact that the data is retrieved from the database with the help of PHP. So now if we go back to crime books and pick a book to read, we will be redirected to this page where we have full information of the book name, the writer's name, and also a summary about the book. We will also have some book reviews, and that button will redirect us to an external page where we can read the book online. Now this page is fully responsive too, so if we minimize the screen size to a middle screen, this is how it would look like. And if we minimize it to a small size screen, this is how it would look like. So now if we go to the Contact Us tab, we will see the following. We have a Contact Us form that is connected to the database, and we also have some social media information and contacting information. Now if we go to the form and decide to fill it up, then click Submit, we will see that a success message has appeared. If we go to the database and refresh it, we will see in the last line here that the information was added to the database successfully. Now you can go to the last tab here, which is the Register. So if you don't have an account, you can go to the Register button and it will show the sign up form. The sign up form is also connected to the database. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. And if you have an account, you can only sign in. Before we sign in, there is a Forget Password feature. So when you click on Forget Password, this screen will pop up. Now to show and hide this screen, we use JavaScript. So when you click here, we used JavaScript to hide it, and you click here, we use JavaScript to show it. So now let's sign in. When you log in, as I mentioned before, there's some extra features that is added to the website. First of all, if you log in successfully, you're going to be redirected to the home page. And if you look at the header, you would see two changes. First of all, there's a new tab called Your Profile. And second of all, the sign in icon has changed to a sign out icon. If you click on the Your Profile tab, you would see that here we have the username, the Hotmail, and a section called Favorite Books. At the moment, you see a message that says that you don't have any liked books yet. We also have a feedback section here where you can enter your feedback. So if you like the website, you can enter the feedback, and you can see there's a success message that shows up here. This form is connected to the database, and we did use PHP to transmit the data from the form to the database, but we also used a JavaScript technology called Ajax, which is a technology that we use when we want to update a certain part of a web page without reloading the page, or when we want to receive and send data to the server after the page has been loaded. And we can also use it if we want to send data to the server in the background. So here, the feedback form is actually part of the your profile page. So we want to submit the data, send it to the server, and show the success message or the fail message to the user without the need of reloading the page, since it's part of the your profile page, and that's why we used the technology Ajax here. Another feature that will be added when you sign in to the website is the like button. So if you go to one of the categories, you can see that there is a like button that has been added under the view book button. Now if you click on it, you will see that the color will change to black. Here we used Ajax technology again because we want the color of the button to change to black and the book to be added to the database without the need of reloading the page again. So now if we go to the Your Profile page, we will see that in the favorite book section, the book has been added. So now if you want to remove the book from the favorite book section, you can go back, re-click on the like button, and you will see that the color will go back to white, and if you go to your profile page, you will see that the book has been removed. Now, lastly, if you want to sign out, just go and click the sign out button. So you can see that we were redirected to the home page, and in the menu, the Your Profile tab is no longer there, and the sign out icon is now a sign in icon. And as a conclusion, that was my website Readn.